Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable glanceable direction settings in Google Maps. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step here we're going to do, it's going to be easily, I'm going to open my Google Maps. So as you can see here, I need to open my Google Maps app. So we'll go to Google File and then click on Google Maps over here as you can see. And now once open, I need to click on my profile picture, which is going to be up to the right corner over here, as you can see. So I click on it, and from here, we have all these options. But what we're going to do, we'll go and click on settings, which is going to be between your data and help and feedback. And now we need to scroll down a little bit until we can find the option that it says navigation settings, as you can see here, which is could be found between show scale on map and manage your preferences. So we click on navigation settings, and from here we scroll down a little bit until we can find this option, which is glanceable directions while navigating. So we can toggle this on or toggle it off as much as you can. And that's how you can turn on glanceable directions on Google Maps. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.